I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
My good people, now welcome back to Reality Latest Gist, the headquarters for reality news on politics and many other things wey dey happen for inside this our green, white, green country wey be Nigeria. Like usual, me don come with breaking news, me don bring update wey I wan share give the general public. And the koko now be say, the Edo State Asset Verification Committee they don drop report and they yarn say the administration of the former governor of Edo State, be Godwin Obaseki, im leave behind a debt profile of 682.57 billion naira. Now, if you ask me, my good people, I go tell you say that is a huge sum of money. Meanwhile, one countryman wey dey go by the name Ernest, he na the chairman of the committee. Now, they present these findings now. They give the current governor of Edo State, to be Governor Monday Okpebholo, on Wednesday. And Wednesday na the 5th day of February for this year, 2025. So now, Oga Ernest now they review the financial irregularities and questionable contract awards under the previous administration. No be small matter like this, my good people. You know, say the review of the committee's 3,900-page report, they show say the debt wey Godwin Obaseki government inherit for inside the year 2016 na 84 billion naira. But this one wey come leave behind now for the current governor wey be Monday Okpebholo na 682.57 billion naira. No be small increment like this. So this report now dey show say the state's liabilities increased by over 900% during the tenure of the former governor of Edo State, wey be Godwin Obaseki. And the committee no end there, my good people. They still proceed further. They yarn say like this now, there are noticeable anomalies in the way contracts were awarded for inside the last administration, and they urge make all the contracts and memorandum of understanding be reviewed. Make them torchlight everything wey happen for inside the previous administration. And according to the report, the state government invests 19 billion naira in an ongoing hotel project, but reportedly owns just 20% of it, while a company allegedly established in the year 2024 they control the remaining 80%, despite not contributing any fund at the time of the agreement. No be small matter like this, my good people. The report still dey yarn say the past administration award 22 contracts worth 22 billion naira for ICT related projects to 18 companies, with 17 billion naira paid as of November 2024. The report still dey raise concern. The committee consider flag irregularities in several projects, and these projects they include the modular refinery, the Museum of West African Arts, and the renovation of Stella Obasanjo Hospital, where they commissioned without being completed, upon say it cost nearly 1 billion naira. And still for inside the report, the Edo State Asset Verification Committee they claim say that of the $75 million World Bank funding for basic education reforms, last now only $5 million now reach the Edo State Universal Basic Education Board, with just $2.5 million where they access before the project can last end. The remaining $70 million was reportedly managed directly by the office of Godwin Obaseki under a performance for results arrangement. So now the committee, based on everything wey they don touchlight, based on their findings, they can drop some kind recommendations. And the recommendations they include forensic and analysis and investigations on the ownership of companies plus enterprises plus properties wey dey for inside Abuja, Lagos, and other locations. So as the Edo State Asset Verification Committee now don do their touchlighting finish, after they don do their assessing, after they don do their investigating, they can last drop some kind recommendations. And the committee dey yarn now say make dem carry out forensic analysis and investigation on ownership of companies plus enterprises plus properties wey dey for inside Abuja, Lagos, and other locations where Edo State then get prior interest before the tenure of Godwin Obaseki. And the committee constantly call for prosecution of indicted former officials plus the blacklisting of indicted companies and full prosecution of contractors wey do magomago business or wey break the laws of Edo State. and the full investigation of the Edo Best program. No be small matter like dis o my good pipu. So last as the government house for inside Edo State Benin City come receive the report of the Edo State Asset Verification Committee, the Edo State governor wey be Monday Okpebholo come dey give accolade to the committee for their dedication, and the governor come dey give them assurance. According to how the talk take come outside from the Edo State governor mouth, he say he dey appreciate the committee for a job well done and the time wey dem invest in this exercise, and he dey understand the challenges wey dem face, but yet dem dey successful. Dem carry out this crucial assignment without worries. So make dem dey rest assured say their findings and recommendations go dey implemented appropriately. So Oga Ernest wey be the chairman of the Edo State Asset Verification Committee, on his own part, he now come dey emphasize, he now come dey yarn say dis findings wey dem make so no be just a reflection of past actions o, but na call to action for the future. And dey try yarn say make dem no look am like say something don happen before dey come say let bygones be bygones and all those kind of levels dem. No, make dem make move concerning the future of Edo State, so that those kind things no go fit get mind repeat itself, or one person now no go fit come outside now come repeat the same thing. But however, my good people, when dem come contact Oga Osage wey be the special adviser to the former governor of Edo State wey be Godwin Obaseki on media project, he now deny the allegations. He say the committee dey deliberately dey misinform the public and im dey misinterpret wetin true happen for the administration of Godwin Obaseki. According to how the talk take come outside from the mouth of Oga Osage, he say for the benefit of the people of Edo State and the public, every activity of the government was in the report of the transition committee which was handed to the new government. So everything raised in the so-called verification committee na nothing but falsehood in the coming days. And he said they go publish everything item by item for the people of Edo State to see. The Monday Okpebholo government now dey in possession of everything wey Godwin Obaseki government do, and wetin the committee now dey yarn today, so wetin the Edo State Asset Verification Committee come outside come dey publish, dey give the general public, say all of them na lie. Now me know say the former governor of Edo State wey be Godwin Obaseki, he still get supporters for inside Edo State and he get supporters far beyond, just like how current governor of Edo State take get supporters. But for we country people wey dey do the supporting, I go advise us make we no dey support bad thing. Make we torchlight every matter before we begin dey put mouth, because I know say many country people dey wey dey carry this matter for head like dreadlock. Abeg carry am small and make e be say wetin we dey carry na the truth. This my good people na the information wey I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, or if you get contributions about the matter, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Now we be reality latest gist. Now we dey like give una reality news on politics and many other level wey dey sup for inside this our green white green country wey we dey call Nigeria. So if you like this news and you go like to dey receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell, so that as we dey bring more reality latest dey come your way, now you go first get the update and you go even receive am sharp. I dey come your side again with another update for you my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.